Welcome! In this lecture, we're going to practice the W and V sounds together. First, let's practice some words that have the W and V sound at the beginning of the word. Remember, W needs your lips rounded, and V needs your lips apart. Wan, van. Wan, van. Wan, van. Wan, van. Worse, verse. Worse, verse. Worse, verse. Worse, verse. Whale, veil. Whale, veil. Whale, veil. Whale, veil. Wang, vang. Wang, vang. Wang, vang. Wang, vang. Wick, vic. Wick, vic. Wick, vic. Wick, vic. Here are some more words that have the W and V sound at the beginning of the word. Ways, vase. Ways, vase. Ways, vase. Ways, vase. West, vest. West, vest. West, vest. West, vest. Wheel, veal. Wheel, veal. Wheel, veal. Wheel, veal. Wet, vet. Wet, vet. Wet, vet. Wet, vet. Wine, vine. Wine, vine. Wine, vine. Wine, vine. Finally, let's practice some sentences that have words using the W and V sounds. Wes wore a velvet vest. 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 Vic washed Will's vase. Vic washed Will's vase. Vic washed Will's vase. Vic washed Will's vase. Will Vincent wed Vicky? Will Vincent wed Vicky? Will Vincent wed Vicky? Will Vincent wed Vicky? We avoided the water on Wednesday. 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 David and Gavi want wine with veal. 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 Congratulations! You've completed this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to do a practice with W and V together. See you then!